right, Ashik, stay on with me. Now, the Embassy of Russia in Pakistan has strongly condemned the terrorist attack near a railway station in Quetta. In an official statement, the Russian embassy expressed hope that those responsible for orchestrating the attack would be swiftly identified and brought to justice. The embassy also conveyed its deepest condolences to the families and friends of the victims and wished a speedy recovery to all those injured in the tragic incident. What can you tell us, Ashik, about this development? Russia has, of course, condemned this deadly attack.
Condemning this attack, but the fact is that this is completely intelligence failure. As we have seen earlier, there were many attacks that carried out in Balochistan where the civilians were targeted. But as of now, there are embassy of Russia who are condemning this attack, and they are saying that this is a terror attack and it should be investigated. So far, we have seen that Russia has come out and they are speaking against this attack. And now, the reality is this, that this is not for the first time this type of attack has happened in Balochistan. Earlier, we have seen how the Balochistan people are accusing Pakistan army and Pakistan government, and they are saying that they have been suffering since decades, but the Pakistan government is not taking care of them. Now, these type of attacks, and the BLE is continuously targeting the Pakistan army. And other side, if we see that in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, where TTP are also targeting the Pakistan forces in that area as well. Back to you.
Thanks, Ashik, for joining me with all those details. And now, viewers, at least 10 civilian cars were destroyed and several coaches of a passenger's train were derailed after a blast on railway tracks in Balochistan's Quetta. Let's listen in to what the locals had to say.
सुबह तकरीबन एक बहुत बड़ा ब्लास्ट हुआ। ब्लास्ट होने के बाद बाहर आके देखा तो ट्रेन पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा हमला किया गया था, जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारी कैजुअल्टीज हुई हैं, बहुत सारे घर डैमेज हुए हैं। उसके अलावा जो है शदीद किस्म का माली नुकसान हुआ है, अंदर शीशे वगैरह टूटने से काफ़ी लोग जख्मी हुए हैं। और इसके अलावा भी जो है जानी माली हर किस्म का काफ़ी नुकसान हुआ है और ट्रेन के अंदर काफ़ी कैजुअल्टी।
Now, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has announced that India has dispatched the first tranche of urgent medical supplies and protective kits to the Africa CDC. The assistance comes as part of India's response to the emerging Ebola public health emergency in Africa. And in his statement, viewers, Jaishankar reaffirmed India's commitment to supporting African nations in dealing with the outbreak and strengthening their public health response systems. The move underscores India's continued humanitarian and global health cooperation efforts with Africa during crisis situations. Ajay Jandyal is joining me with details. Ajay, what can you tell us? Because India is always the first to step up when it comes to its humanitarian efforts.
See the situation, in South Africa, the southern countries is definitely very concerning because of the ongoing breakout in the Ebola, and that is the reason that India once again has extended help to these countries so that they can, overcome this situation, because the way it is spreading and the way it is taking life, then definitely there are possibilities that it could spread in the other areas, and to help them medically and in other way. This assistance has been, dispatched by the Indian External Affairs Minister Jaishankar have, shared this information that, how much quantity of this medicine and other things that has been dispatched to the southern countries.
All right, Ajay, thanks for joining me.